cantilever beam with several load for point load and uniformly distributed load. So, uniform point load and uniformly varying load from fixed end. So, this is the cantilever beam. Point B, this is the point A, length is L. Okay. And the end point load is A. Okay. So, 2. So, now split the problem into 2. Okay. The first one for uniformly varying load. Okay. Another one is end point load. Okay. Okay. So, on shortcuts, end point load, uniformly distributed load, uniformly varying load for 0 from free end. Okay, 0 from free end. Here slope, to find the slope. So, first W L squared by E I. This is only memorize 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Multiply with 1 by 2 W capital W. Okay, L squared by 2 E I. If you multiply with 1 by 3, this is a uniform distributed small w, this is capital. Okay, L cubed by 6 E I. Okay, next multiply with 1 by 4 W L cubed by 24 E I. Okay, slope is multiply with 2 by 3rd. So, 1 by 3 2 completed. So, 2 by 3rd L into theta. So, 1 by 3 completed. Here uniformly distributed load is 3 by 4 L into theta. So, here completed 1 by 4. So, 4 by 5 L into theta. Okay, this is the deflection. Okay, here slope. Okay, this is the end point load. Okay, this is the load varying from 0 from a fixed point. Okay, this is split into 2, also 2. Okay, uniformly distributed load minus uniformly varying load from free end. Okay, so minus few uniformly distributed load values minus with the uniform varying load from 0 from free end means you can get the uniformly distributed load 0 from fixed end point. Okay, these values. Okay, here this is slope 1 y1, slope 2 y2, slope 3 y3. Okay, 3 only. If you want to get the slope means theta equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. Okay, plus theta 3. If first minus of this one 2, after that add the third one. Okay, so y equal to y1 minus y2, after that add y3. Okay, theta equal to theta 1 means uniformly distributed load is theta is w small w L cube divided by 6 E I. Okay, so theta 2 is uniform again. Sorry, this is so end point. First one uniform distributed. Okay, correct. Then is uniformly varying load. small w L cube divided by 24 EI plus of theta 3. So, theta 3 for end point load. So, capital W L squared by 2 EI. This is the slope equation. So, next deflection equation is y1. See what is the y1? Uniformly distributed y1. Okay. So, here multiply with 2 to cancel. So, W L cube divided by 3 I minus of uniformly varying load. So, 4 by 5, 5, 6. So, W L power 4. This is a small W L power 4. Okay. Cube L power 4, small w L power 4 divided by 30 EI plus uniform at end point load. Okay, end point load means, so first one is uniformly distributed load. Okay, deflection of uniformly distributed is 8. Okay, W L power 4 8 EI. This is the uniformly distributed load. Okay. Then next is point load is capital W. Okay, capital W L cube divided by 3 EI. Okay. Here W L cube divided by 3 I. Here W L power 4 8 EI, W L power 4 30 EI. Okay. This is the deflection equation. This is the slope equation. This is for uniform distributed load or end point load. Okay. So, first you split the problem. Okay. Then only solve means we can easily solve. Okay. Thank you.